Shoo. See what we got going on here. This bakkie needed some brakes. We replaced the front now already. Yes, it was a bit of a mission, but okay. Okay, I can't see so lekker, but it's a scheme there. That is done. This one, busy now with the rear. They're just putting some new shoes on, and we somehow replaced all the studs because Isuzu, they have a major stud problem. Yeah, all these studs give issues. You must replace it to aftermarket, and then you won't have an issue. Now it spins lekker. You can see the goodies. Yeah. This one, same story. Got some big boys here. Some agri tires. Shoo, can't go wrong. Now the boss of this trucks is, he's fucking achter mekaar. These trucks look fucking sexy. Because you're the other one now. Come on, you say you can do brakes now?
Yeah.
Quiet, Robert. Just stand still now and take a lot of pictures. Say again?
Video will make one.
On this thing?
Of you loading this construction, bro.
How do you? Oh, of that? Yeah, I'm taking a video of this. Yeah, I'll send it to you. Oh, a portrait. Okay. I say yeah. Silent net. You gonna bring now? You know where the tires is going or what? Oh, I don't know also.
But break also this phone.
I was going for a run and then
Before that.
it fall on the floor. Yeah, that.
But it's protector mostly.
Yeah, it did protect us, so it's alright. Okay. So that one is cut one. But that is the difficult part. And now this one. Flyer. Okay. Now give me. Yeah, that one. Just check. Yeah, that's right. Okay. That thingy. You might just take all time, no?
Cool.
Start to finish.
Was performing the
Oh,
entire.
your fingers, huh?
So we came out, we didn't know. We just kind of what's going on this thing. How are they engineering? So we thought, it's Michael Jackson's concert. But I'm telling you, all the cars that was standing there was overheating. And it's at night. Because we don't have a fan system that can pull him.
Michael
And now there's a car in front of him, so he's pulling that heat of that car.
Quality.
Long now.
Robbie's moving out. Going home now.
Just try go.
Yeah, panic mechanic. This guy is not paying me to be his cameraman.
Why? Just go viral then. And all the girls is gonna say, hey, why you don't chat anymore? And they're gonna say, but then I say, yeah, you didn't want me when I was poor.
When I was poor, yeah.
You only want me now that I got money. I say. Okay. Yeah, I think he's alright now. Okay, where's the drum? 5,000. See, this one is the same. Kak story. Open this nipple. Don't know size it 8 man.
step.
Just check that one. But don't feel like that, feel the whole thing like that. Okay? And then that.
Sure, fuck. Don't become a mechanic, guys. Yeah. Nothing ever goes according to plan.